Oh, here we go. Oh, gladiator? Nice.
Where does that move?
Well, loose stuff. You have something? I don't
Yeah,
know.
okay.
It's like where you stab the toe.
No. His blade right.
Oh, dude. Oh. Oh, my. There's another law, dude.
Nice shield, bro.
That shield, though, like, dang. I think these guys mean business. Pretty much, dude. Oh, he got that legendary helm. This might be hard. Oh, this map again.
He's a rep bike. That wall.
He's a what? 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 What is he trying to do?
He's got a stadium.
Nope. Oh no!